What's up guys, welcome to Guys Garage, and this is an impromptu video. This is not something that I ever wanted to make, but I was actually driving to the gym just now and I noticed something really weird happen as I was driving. As I was driving towards the gym, I'm pulled over to the side of the road and my car started, I was in third gear and the car just shut off, and now whenever I try to crank the car, it's not turning on and the engine does not sound healthy. As you can tell, the car is not cranking and turning on. This engine does not sound fine. I just searched it up. I can't tell if it's a crank sensor or it almost feels like one of the cylinders is misfiring. So I'm really worried. I'm on the side of the road. I'm gonna go in the front and check my oil levels to see what's going on. If not, if the car doesn't turn on, I'll have to get the car towed. But I figured I'd take this chance to just show what's going on. Hopefully it's not too bad, but I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so I just checked the oil, and the oil does look a little low, but it's not horribly low. And I checked underneath the car, and it doesn't seem like there's any leaks. Doesn't seem like there's any leaks, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. So I'm in a really bad spot right now. I might have to call the tow truck, but I'm gonna try one last thing I saw online. I'm gonna press the gas because this does have an anti-flood system, and just crank it. Still nothing. Ah, crap. Alright, so I'm still here. I'm actually just set up Aman. He's going to pull up to just take a quick look before I call AAA, because this is a really bad spot for even AAA to come. So let's see. It doesn't sound very good. I checked there's no leaks. The intakes are still connected. Mass airflow sensor is still connected. Oil is still in the car. Not sure why the car is cranking, but it does sound like the cylinders, one of them might be bad. Could be a coil pack. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm waiting for Amon to come take a look. If not, we will have to call AAA. Shout out to Amon for pulling up as always, but we are like 99% sure it's a crank position sensor, or it could be a fuel pump. Either way, we could try to get a part from Advanced Auto and try putting it out, but I'm not too far away from home, literally 5 minutes away. I called the tow truck, so they'll tow it back. I have AAA for a reason, and then we'll fix it then. Oh, he has no beard anymore. Shout out Ahmad for bringing the truck and the scanner. Yeah. And the first code we got was P0113, which is intake. Alright, the tow truck is here. Alright, so the car just got dropped back off home. We're just gonna charge the battery real quick and then try to crank it. We actually went ahead and put some gas in, because there's a very common issue with these cars that the fuel gauge sometimes doesn't read right, and I have a feeling that there's just no gas in the car, because we're at about 230 miles to the tank, which is a lot. So the fuel tank's read 230 to the tank, which is a lot. You know, this car, I didn't get, like, it says it's a quarter tank left, which is kind of odd. I didn't get any, messages that the fuel was low, but it almost sounds like there's no fuel in the car. So we filled it up with fuel. Now we're gonna give it a shot, turn the car on, and see if it starts.
I hope so.
Pause it. Alright, so let's see. Give it a shot.
Come on.
Yeah. Wow. Don't give the Dagos to me. But yeah, so as I was saying, as I suspected, and Amon thought that too, so these cars have a very common issue with the fuel pump going bad. So I don't think it's just the fuel pump. I think it's the top hat, right? That probably caused the gas not to read properly.
Yeah, your gas shows what, quarter tank?
Yeah, saying it's showing quarter tank.
And it's empty.
Yeah, it also could be the sensors. Not
Thank
reading.
God for Japanese cars, man.
Yeah, so it's pretty much just gas. Had no gas in the car. I'm glad though. We were thinking of the worst. Could be bad engine. Could be.
Yeah, I scared him with it. I was like, yo, let's do a compression test when we come back.
Could have been a lot of bad stuff, but just no gas. So as you can tell, don't drive this car with low gas or else your fuel pump will go bad. So I think eventually we'll change the fuel pump so it starts reading correctly. But
that's a relief.
the G's still alive. The YouTube channel is still alive. So yeah.
More content coming.
Alright, well, we're filling the baby up. I can't believe I just really pulled over to the side of the road because I didn't have any gas. This is the first time that's ever happened to me. I feel like a dumbass, but you know, it happens. It's part of the game. You live and you learn. So if you guys watch my 5 most common issues of this car, you can check out that video. I do mention the fuel pump going bad, and I knew that. That's why I kind of knew in the back of my mind maybe this is the issue. We were also thinking of a lot of different things like the crank sensor, maybe the engine blew, which was the worst case scenario. But that being said, you know, I knew I checked online too, and really it's such a simple issue. Just didn't have gas, and the gas wasn't reading right. So we'll take care of that. But you know, I wanted to make this video as it happened in real time because I'm sure it can happen to a bunch of other people. I saw videos online, people with the same issue, so just wanted to make this video for such a common issue. So if you do happen to run into that, first thing, just check your gas, even if your car doesn't say it's empty. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a thumbs up. It's been a minute since I made a video on the Jeep. Sucks that this is the one that I had to make, but I hope you guys learned, and if you did enjoy it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, more content coming out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.